structures, the basis for all life. For Paul Nissen, it all started on the island of Ols, where he grew up. Since then, he has continued to study the basic structures that create coherence in living organisms.
Already as a kid, I was very interested in understanding things at its very bits and details. So I would actually often as a kid split things apart, not to destroy it, but to figure out what was inside and how did things work. And I think that was very much always what also drove me in research, was to try and understand the actual mechanisms of the things.
Early in his career, Paul Nissen began working with X-ray crystallography. With this technique, he could reveal the structures of life's smallest particles.
You could directly see how their three-dimensional structures build functionalities, active sites of enzymes, interaction sites of molecules working together, solvent molecules sitting on the surface of these molecules. I thought that was deeply fascinating.
Paul Nissen's research has revealed structures of the important mechanisms of life, such as crucial ion pumps that ensure transport in and out of cells.
You don't understand how a bike works until you actually watch someone riding a bike. Then you actually suddenly start understanding it. And similarly, with X-ray crystallography, we need to take very many different snapshots of how things work to really understand it.
The many snapshots have made it possible to couple neurological and muscle disease to changes in the structures. With his latest program, DANDRITE, Paul Nissen hopes to improve our understanding of the brain and brain diseases by breaking down the brain's function into different structural layers.
This whole network of interactions of cells will then be based on really the concerted function of thousands of different of macromolecules, proteins, membrane proteins not least, and how they work together and make these sophisticated functions will be the next, you could say, horizon of molecular biology, I think.
Paul Nissen believes good research will always combine basic research with long-term goals, which can help drive the development of new methods and new insights.
I don't think anyone in the Stone Age had a plan of how we should one day ride in cars and live in houses with central heating. That just came out of other discoveries. And that's really the power and why science is so extremely important, is that it will always open new land for us.